Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. In this video I just want to give you a quick update because the weekly candle close is coming, and in the last few weeks we have seen quite significant movements in the night from Sunday to Monday. So I thought it's worth doing an update. Tomorrow here in the UK is actually bank holiday, but in the US everything is open. So the stock market is open, so that should also mean some market moves actually. Before we start, I wanted to answer a question that one of my channel members has asked. Actually our first Patreon, because we have now added Patreon as an option to join as a channel member, because not all payment methods work for all people. So yeah, congratulations for being our first Patreon. And of course, happy to answer a question. I think there was only a bit of confusion. He asked basically that I say that we are in a wave 2, but before we were in a wave 4. So have I changed the wave count? No, I have not changed the wave count at all. There are different wave degrees. Okay, so just to really show you where we are, in my opinion, what we have done, you have in every impulse, you have 5 waves. So the overall higher level pattern here is a wave 1 coming down in a wave 2. That is what we're doing at the moment. Then we'll get a 3, 4 and 5. That wave 2, that we are currently doing, or in which we currently are, consists of 3 waves. And wave 2 consists of an A, B, C. So we are currently in this wave 2. We are in the wave C, basically in the last leg down. But now it's getting more complicated. The wave C itself consists of 5 waves. So what we had here was a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have been in a wave 4. This could now be complete, and we might now, and that is what I primarily believe, in that wave 5. And to make it even more complicated, a wave 5 itself, the same like the wave 1, the wave 3, and the wave 5, consists itself of 5 waves. Which means that here, in this last wave down, in this wave 5, we also have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we are probably still in the wave 1. And to make it even more complicated, in the wave 1, we also have 5 waves. And you can see them on the chart here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're probably still in that 5th wave. Okay, so just to clear that up, no wave count has changed. It's just probably a misunderstanding about the different degrees or wave degrees in which we currently are. In this current wave down, we have still a bit more space. Also, as per the Fibonacci extensions, we could move, as I said before, into the region around 35 to 37k here, making still lower lows and still be in that wave 1 or in that smaller degree wave 5 within the wave 1, because the first target was here basically the 2.382 Fib level that was reached. We had here quite a strong reaction to the upside. I thought that might have already been it, but we made another swing low. Therefore, we can now drop further. We can drop to 36.8, for example. That would be the 2.618 Fib extension, or even 35.2. We just have to wait, but that would not happen without breaking out of that wedge pattern in which we currently are. And as always, we just have to be patient with the wedge. We have to wait until a breakout happens, either up or down. So that is currently just a phase of waiting here at the moment. Because if we go to the 4-hour chart, if I zoom out a little bit, so we can see that we still have decreasing volume here on the 4-hour, as you can see, going down, 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 and we're getting at the same time into the apex of that wedge. Therefore, not much movement. I wouldn't even be surprised if we are waiting now until we have the results on Wednesday from the Fed meeting. Could really be that we spend our time in this wedge until Wednesday. Absolutely possible. There is still space in the wedge. On the other hand, we have in the last few weeks, today is the 1st of May. What was the last Sunday? Was here the 24th. So on the 24th, we have seen here some volatility, as you can see it here. What time was that? 24th here. Here, yeah, we have seen here some volatility around this area. And then before that, on the 17th, what have we seen here? We have seen here a drop from the 17th to the 18th. There we go. Also, that was around the weekly candle close. And then on the 10th, we have seen here quite a lot of volatility. So let's see what is going to play out. We are currently still in the wedge. I do expect some volatility, or at least be aware of potential volatility happening around the weekly candle close. What is interesting though, that yesterday we had quite a bit of volatility during the night as well, because we have another mega whale in the crypto market. This is the list of the top 100 richest Bitcoin addresses, and rank 14 is new. Yeah, this person, institution, whatever, bought 48,500 Bitcoin. That is nearly $2 billion worth of Bitcoin, probably an over-the-counter transaction. There is quite a lot, and it was not just a transfer. This seems to be a new whale. That is just something I wanted to point out here, and for some reason, accidentally, this happened exactly when we had this price drop here in the night, where the price dropped briefly to I think 37.5k. I looked it up, but yeah, that was a bit of a coincidence to probably buy them a little bit cheaper. Who knows? Yeah, who knows? But that is currently here where we are. A little bit further downside potential, of course, in the wedge, because it is going down, as you can see. But then I would expect here some upside, where we will get in a wave 2 into this target area between 42 and 46k. Be aware that would be against the trend, but it is highly likely that such a move is going to play out, because normally in a wave 2 you come a little bit higher, and then you will have a wave 3, which will then go down much further, and then after a while in a wave 4 and a wave 5. With that, we will get into this yellow target area. I hope that until then some of the altcoins can recover again, because some are already really low with their prices, and some of them risk dropping below the last major lines of support. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Bitcoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. And here you can get access to the Telegram live chat groups, the Discord server, and the weekly live stream. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.